This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your ID image and immediately duplicating the layer so you never alter the original. Use Quick Selection or the pen tool to trace the subject edge. The pen gives cleaner curves while Quick Selection is faster. Once you have a selection, press Ctrl/CMD+J to isolate it on its own layer. Make sure to toggle the visibility of the original to check edges. You're setting up a non-destructive workflow, so later adjustments won't damage the source file. Now refine the cutout so the ID subject looks natural against a new background. Open Select and Mask and pick a helpful view mode. On layers or black reveals stray pixels. Increase radius slightly and use the Refine Edge brush to capture hair or fine contours, then tweak Smooth and Feather to remove jagged edges. Output to a new layer with Layer Mask so you can non-destructively erase or restore areas. This step controls the how and why of a believable composite. Place the background you want beneath the isolated ID subject and immediately check color and lighting compatibility. Use curves or levels to match exposure, then color balance or hue/saturation to harmonize tones. Small shifts make the biggest difference. Add a subtle drop shadow on a separate layer to anchor the subject so it doesn't float. Once done, inspect edges at 100% and refine the layer mask if needed. If something goes wrong, revert to the duplicated layer or toggle the mask to paint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.